Hello Mr Henshaw, I'm Dan, a Ford train technician at Pye Motors Kendal. Done a complimentary eCheck on your car, which consists of a traffic light system, green is all okay, and we need rechecking before next service and maybe require immediate attention. A little bit of marking on the bumper there at the front. Driver side front tyre. Ford's minimum standards for tyres is 3mm, legal minimum requirement is 1.6. I recommend having the tyre changed straight away. A little bit of marking on the wheel, tyres okay on the outside. Front pads, 25% wear, all okay. Front disc, 22.51mm, minimum 21. Driver's side front spring, damper, anti-roll bar link, bushes, bottom ball joint, CV boots and drive shaft all okay. Auxiliary drive belt in good condition, no leaks in engine or gearbox, steering components all okay. Passenger side front spring, damper, anti-roll bar link, bushes, bottom ball joint, CV boots and drive shaft all okay as well. Passenger side front tyre. Again, I recommend the tyre check before next service. A bit more marking on the outside of this wheel, tyres okay on the outside. Towards the back of the car, exhaust system all okay, heat shields in place, underfloor protection okay, fuel tank secure, rear axle bushes okay. Springs and dampers all okay at the rear. Driver's side rear tyre. I recommend having the tyre check before next service. Outside the wheel and tyre update, or just a little marking on the top there. Rear pads. 30% wear, all okay. And rear disc, 11.73mm, minimum is 9. 360 exhaust okay, heat shield in place. Passenger side rear tyre. I recommend having this tyre check before next service as well. Outside the wheel and tyre all okay on this corner. So just a quick recap. Recommend having your front two tyres changed straight away. I recommend having your two rear tyres checked before next service. Everything else is in good condition. Thank you for choosing Pye Motors, and member of the service team will be in contact with you shortly.